today my topic is Siemens Martin open hearth furnace. The furnace is modified version of laboratory furnace used in the making steel. The shallow hearth is lined by magnesium oxide and calcium oxide. The heating effect is created by producer gas and hot air about 1600 degrees centigrade. The impurities get oxidized like carbon, silicon, phosphorus, which is present in the iron ore. Now come to electrical furnace. These furnaces are largely used where electric tower or a power is available at economical rates. It is of three types. First is arc furnace, second is induction furnace, third is resistance furnace. This is the arc furnace. It is made up of a steel chamber and brick lining. A layer of magnesite, slag and tar is reside here. It has a melted steel and carbon electrode. In this, the arc produce 3000 to 4000 degrees temperature between two electrode, and in this metal is purified in this way. Now next is induction furnace. In these furnace, heat is generated by induction effect and the charge is heated by induction current. Third is resistance furnace. In these furnace, electricity pass through wire at high resistance that produce heat. It is of two types, direct resistance and indirect resistance. Direct resistance, in this the charge act as a conductor and produce resistance to the electric current and heat is produced. In this, the high temperature attained by the power producing bar of weak electrode current. Now next is extraction of aluminium occurrence. It is reactive and not found in free state. It's 8% present in the earth crust. Ores, corundum, that is AlO3, diasor, that is Al2O3 H2O, bauxite Al2O3 2 molecules of H2O, gibbsite AlO3 3 molecules of H2O. In this, only molecules of H2O get changed. Rest of the formula is same. Extraction, it is mainly extracted by the bauxite ore. We use this ore, bauxite ore, that is Al2O3 2 molecules of water, and it's contaminated by Fe2O3, that is ferric oxide and silica. So the following step involved in extraction. First is refining of bauxite ore. Second is electrolysis of alumina. Third is purification of aluminium. Now refining of bauxite ores by Bayer's method. Bauxite mainly contain Fe2O3 as an impurity and it is red in color. The powder ore first roasted to convert ferrous oxide to ferric oxide. Then it's treated with concentrated NaOH at 80 atm pressure and 150 degrees centigrade in an autoclave. Aluminium oxide forms soluble sodium meta-aluminate, while ferric oxide being insoluble settle down. This is the reaction when bauxite ore treated with NaOH, it forms sodium alumina, meta-aluminium and water. And silica forms silicate. These impurities removed by the filtration and filtrate on hydrolysis form AlOH whole thrice as a precipitate. This is the sodium meta-aluminate, and when it hydrolyzes it forms AlO3OH whole thrice as a precipitate. Now this precipitate filter off, washed and dried, and calcined at means absence of air. Calcination means absence of air, roasting means presence of air. So calcined at 1500 degrees centigrade to obtain pure alumina. This when treated with 1500 degrees centigrade, pure alumina get formed and 3 molecules of water. Now my question is, what is Muffle, Siemens, Martin and electrical furnace? Thank you.